During the semester, you may need to change a group member from one to another. If you are making this in a group set that has already made group submissions, this can be problematic. Groups in Canvas are set up so that when you grade a group in a group set, that group gets the grade. In turn, each of the students in that group receives the grade for that assignment. Because the grade the student receives is based off the group they are in, changing a student's group means they will get all previous grades from the new group's past assignments. By changing a student's group, you may be unintentionally changing their grade from the previous group's grade. If you have ever tried to change a student's group before, you may have gotten this pop-up menu. This menu prompts you to make a cloned group set and is meant to prevent the misallocation of grades during a group change. That said, creating a cloned group set won't fix this problem alone. You will need to change the association for subsequent group assignments tied to the original group set with the new cloned group set. This tutorial will teach you what you need to do to change a student's group so that they receive the correct grades after the change. To access the Clone Group Set menu, it is as simple as beginning the process of moving the student from one group to another. If submissions have been made to a group assignment tied to the group set you are modifying, the Clone Group Set menu will pop up. If you are able to move the student without the Clone Group Set menu appearing, no submissions have been made and the change is complete without needing to follow the additional steps in this tutorial. When the menu pops up, make sure Create New Group Set is selected. If you want to change the name of the new group set, you are welcome to in the text field. For convenience, we recommend using the default name given by Canvas. With everything set, click on Submit to create the new group set. Once the new clone group set is made, move the students you wanted to move to their new group. Because you have created a new clone group set, for this to work, you are going to have to associate all subsequent group assignments or discussions that were tied to the original group set with the cloned one. For each assignment or discussion, go to the settings by going to the assignment or discussion page and click on Edit. Scroll down to the group assignment section. If there have been no submissions to the particular group assignment or discussion, you will be able to go to the drop-down menu for Group Set and select the new group set. If you are unable to make changes to one of the subsequent group activities, you may want to consider changing one or many of the students' grades by following our tutorial on grading individual group members, which can be found on the ATD faculty resource site. For more tutorials, as well as information on how to reach out to ATD with any questions or assistance needs you may have, please check out our faculty resource site. Thanks for watching.